Hello everyone and welcome back to another educative video. Today we have an interesting and useful topic for you. So, are you all ready? Yay! So, today we are going to talk about our day. The things we do every day is a wonderful way to learn some basic action words, means verbs and vocabulary. But before starting the session, I would like to say if you enjoy learning different topics with me, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends and give a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. So are you all ready to talk about what we do during the day? So let's start with morning. What do you usually do in the morning? First, I usually wake up in the morning around 7 o'clock. After I wake up, I get out of bed. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. These are very common actions. After that, I go to the kitchen and usually make breakfast. Children, what do you usually have for breakfast? Most of the time, I have toast, boiled egg and fruits in the breakfast. After breakfast, I do some household chores such as cleaning the bed, wiping the furniture, watering the plants, etc. Then I take bath and get dressed. After that, I worship God and then I leave for school. I am a teacher, so I work in a school. I go to school by scooty. The school is nearby my home. After reaching the school, I welcome my students with warm greetings. After that, we gather for assembly. After assembly, students enter their respective classes. Then, classes are held one by one according to the timetable. And then, usually around lunchtime, I have lunch. After lunch, we usually go back to work. The children are already dismissed. After the children leave, we still have some tasks to do, such as preparing the next day's lesson plan, checking copies, etc. And then we go back home. I freshen up after returning home and talk to my family. And then I cook dinner and try to have dinner around 8 p.m. After having dinner, I sometimes go for a gentle night walk. Before going to the bed, I usually brush my teeth again. It's a very good habit. We should brush our teeth twice a day. And then I go to bed. Actually, I try to go to bed around 10 to 10:30 p.m. So children, here we have used a lot of important verbs and verb phrases. So let's do a quick review. Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, go to the kitchen, make breakfast, have breakfast, cleaning the bed, wiping the furniture, watering the plants, take bath, get dressed, go to school, gather, enter, held, have lunch, go back to work, preparing lesson plan, checking copies, go back home, freshen up, talk to family, cook dinner, have dinner, go for a night walk, go to bed. So these are all great activities that we do throughout the day. And we have covered so many useful everyday action words or verbs and verb phrases. And these are very useful for beginners. So you can also use these phrases to talk about your own day. So I hope my listeners enjoyed and found this video helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.